So good morning, and as you can tell, we're inside Butt. It's a little bit of a bumpy start, but I think we're gonna be riding smooth in a bit.
That's funny.
Yeah, well, we'll see. But today's a cool day. We're going all the way down to Grand Rapids. We're gonna go pick up, is it the rest of the foam?
All the rest of the foam.
All the rest of the foam, and then we're making a stop to Steve Morris. I think we're picking up the engine. And
yeah, apparently the dart engine is ready, which is basically a mirror image of the billet engine. So, which will let us test and get all the tuning and stuff sorted. So that way, when we put in a $150,000 billet engine, we're good to go.
Yeah. So again, excuse the bumpiness, but now we're on some good road. So yeah, we're gonna do kind of like a little mini travel vlog, able to show off a couple of the places. I know you've seen Cody's footage of the Grand Rapids facility. Was it Vans?
Vans Pattern.
Vans Pattern that does the molds, and then you saw a little bit of the, not a little bit, you saw a lot of the shop tour at Steve. So stay tuned, this will be a fun day, and let's get it started. All right guys, as you can see, Bud's behind me. We made it to Vans Pattern, so let's go see some molds. Thankfully, it's actually a really nice day so far, and it's not too cold, so we're gonna back it up to the dock and get everything loaded. Ready to get some foam?
Ready to get some foam.
I'd say you did good parking, Captain.
I love this truck. It's like I can park this thing anywhere.
Yeah. All right, be back in a second. We're gonna load up. There's one. End plate.
End plate. I don't even know where it's at. Pretty sure this is it. What's that? We got it. Are you Larry? Yeah. I'm Cody. Hi, Cody. Good to meet you. Nice to meet you.
All right, so we got those strapped up. We're working on getting the wings situated and organized here. This is a packed ship, Captain.
Now, that's why I built a big truck, right?
Yeah. So just giving you a quick check-in before we start working on it again. So hopefully in about 3 seconds you'll see exactly what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we've got, thankfully he actually had a nice big piece so we could lay over all of the wings, so we can make sure that we're strapped at the bottom and the top, and obviously over the middle. And yes, we do still supposedly need to go get an engine.
I think so.
I think so. So we're gonna deal with that, but thank you again to Vans Pattern, obviously super helpful, and being able to work with Cody so we can get all this so we can get the car done. So yeah, next stop, potentially Steve Morris Engines facility. All right, so we made it to Steve Morris's facility. As you can see, the truck behind us, we only lost a couple little pieces of foam, but nothing too big. He's kind of chuckling up there, so let's go see what we're doing here. Again, just so you guys understand who we're dealing with here, they do not mess around. So you know you're at the right place where they're all busy talking about, you know, what they're here for, and I just can't stop staring at everything. I know you guys got a shop tour with the GoPro, but oh my god. It does not do it justice. And you get puppers like this. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby.
Would be displaying is in the same spot. The exact same spot as this one.
All right, so we see this thing of beauty. What's the plan?
Get it back, and we have to put the drive sump stuff on there. So, actually, I'm going to make a list for things that Steve's need to order.
So we are taking it?
Yes.
Okay.
Dry sump.
The lists are working.
Yeah, so this is identical every way. Identical in every way to the billet unit. It's just not billet. So it'll be good to get our tuning dialed, get the transmission shifting, all that, and get some track time, because it's going to be, I'm hearing it at best end of the month before the billet's ready, which gives us 13 days to swap it in and make sure it's good. The good news with Steve, he's got an engine dyno, so he can run that thing in. I can feed him all the same timing values and all that. Is what I end up with this engine. So you can run it in and make sure it's good, and then we'll swap it in. We'll bring this one to the peak as a spare because things happen.
Oh yeah.
And go from there. So, rockin'.
Sweet. So yeah, thank you again to Steve Morris and everyone over here at their facility. Always taking care of him. All right, so we're packing up here. Next stop, back home, Buckley. We're tired, so we'll see you soon. Okay, so we finally got back into Buckley. We came in, Connor's been working on laying some carbon on one of the engine covers, and check out us progress. Dude, look at all this. How do you feel?
Tired, but no, this thing, after the first layers, it's super easy. Everything you just kind of slap on, other than the side vents.
Yeah. On
the side of the engine cover, they're kind of a pain, but just jamming through it and just kind of it really works out because of how much open room there is.
Yeah.
After you get the first layers on, because we wanted to have a perfect seam right in the middle where the two molds join. Yeah. So kind of jammed it into this little crack here. We're gonna have a little bit of a spine.
Always over there with that's what she said. Yeah, my bad. What'd you get?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Yeah, by the way, this is actually it bolted together, so this is both of the engine covers as one. I was about to say, because it's a lot bigger than I was thinking. But yeah, dude, looks killer.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a little bit of a spine, which is fine. It's gonna be a good looking spine.
Yeah, dude, I'm excited to see this laid up. But we got a care package.
Yes.
I mean, you also got a care package over there, but who's that from?
This is from ATP. This is all of our. I hope this is the right flange. This is our downpipe flange and stuff for all the turbos.
Gotcha.
So, turbo, downpipe, oil feed, return.
All the turbo stuff.
Yeah, we'll test fit it in a minute, but you got something, kind of.
Yes. I mean, technically this is the first thing that it's not mine, but it's for all of us to use for media stuff. So GoPro, thank you. Huge shout out to GoPro. They were able to actually send us some stuff. So let's go check out what they sent us.
Yeah, we don't really know what they sent us. I mean,
I gave them okay. They've been giving me crap because when someone says, hey, we're going to send you cameras and mounts, I maybe went a little bit above and beyond what they... Yeah, it was a little lofty, but hey, you never know until you ask. But let's see what we got. Well, it's covered up. I see here. Holy moly, dude.
I think we got some stuff.
Oh, dude, they did. They gave us some of the mounts. This is the bag that I wanted.
So
oh my gosh.
Got a 9, got a max.
We got a 9, a max, good. So we want to, there's some fun stuff planned for that because that's their 3D camera.
All right.
So suction cups, gooseneck.
Batteries.
Yeah, 360-degree camera. What did I say?
You said 3D.
Yeah, not a 3D camera, 360-degree camera.
Batteries, head mount.
Yep.
Chest mount. Ooh, that's a nice backpack.
Yeah, dude. Really cool backpack.
Bunch of stickers.
Oh, SD cards.
Stickers, SD cards. Heck, yes. Oh, I'm so excited for this.
And stickers.
And stickers. We'll make sure we have...
And stickers.
We'll have those on the car for
We'll
sure.
have those on the car. Absolutely. So thank you, GoPro. Thank you for sending us some stuff. Again, we're really excited to use this on the car. We think this will be perfect for the Pikes Peak run, Pikes Peak run, and on top of that, just what we can use at the shop. So thank you again so much for that. I know I'm excited, Connor's excited, Cody's excited, so thank you. How are you feeling? Feeling pretty good with it?
I'm tired.
Yeah, I bet you are tired. So let's take a quick peek at what he's been doing. I mean, you guys saw from the GoPro footage, but looking pretty good. I know you're tired, so you're just gonna finish up a couple things, and then you're gonna get out of here. So yeah, that was kind of a like little mini travel day. Got a couple things taken care of. It was really cool to see the place that did all the foam, Vance Pattern. Again, super cool to meet Steve Morris and a couple of his guys and check out the facility. Super cool. Couldn't keep my eyes off of, I mean, literally I was just left, right, up, down, all around just because there's so much cool stuff there. So obviously Connor did a really good job, killed it here. So we're just moving and grooving. We're gonna try to pump out videos as much as we can, showing you guys what we are working on, since there is so much that still needs to be done with this car, but it's coming together. So again, huge shout out to GoPro for sending all of those goodies and that big old care package, because I'm super excited. I know Connor's super excited because he can use a lot of this stuff too when he's at the shop if we are not here. I know Cody's super excited. There's a lot of cool things I really want to do with it, especially at Pikes Peak. So again, thank you so very much, GoPro. And again, thank you guys all the time for sharing, subscribing, liking, showing everything that you can to all of your friends, and really does mean a lot to us. So thank you as always, and we'll see you in the next one.